In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cloudtalk with Pipedrive. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Pipedrive account for your company. If your organization has multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one and that you have permission to install apps. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace option in the menu. That's where all verified Pipedrive apps live, and it's the safest way to add new tools to your CRM. Open the Marketplace and choose Browse Marketplace to see the full catalog. Before we proceed, here's a quick refresher. Pipedrive is a CRM built to help sales teams track deals, contacts, and activities from first touch to close. Cloudtalk is a cloud-based phone system that lets your team make and receive calls from anywhere, then automatically sync those call details into your CRM. Integrating the two means your call logs, recordings, and activities can be saved under the right people and deals without manual work. In the Marketplace, search for the Cloudtalk listing and open it. You'll see an overview of what the integration does and the permissions it needs. Take a moment to scan the details so you know exactly what data will be shared. When you're ready, select Authorize. If you don't see this option, you may need admin rights or approval from your Pipedrive owner. Next, click Allow and Install to grant Cloudtalk access to your Pipedrive data. This permission enables features like logging calls as activities, matching callers to contacts, and creating new records when needed, all directly within Pipedrive. You'll be redirected to Cloudtalk to connect your account. Enter the email address you use for Cloudtalk. If your company uses single sign-on, you can continue with that. Otherwise, proceed with your standard login. Then enter your password to sign in securely. Make sure you're using the same Cloudtalk workspace that your team uses for calling, so the integration applies to the right numbers and agents. After signing in, you'll land in your Cloudtalk account where the connection finalizes. From here, Cloudtalk and Pipedrive will start talking to each other. You should see confirmation in Cloudtalk that the integration is active. That's it. You've logged in to Pipedrive, accessed the Marketplace, found the Cloudtalk app, authorized the connection, allowed the installation, and signed in to Cloudtalk to complete the link. If something doesn't connect right away, recheck your permissions in Pipedrive, confirm you're using the correct Cloudtalk login, and try again. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more.